The biggest question for me in this work is around how to really reflect Rongowhakaata's voice. I think this is the first of its kind. Like, I feel like it's quite a pioneering process where an iwi has put some resource into being able to put its own story up.
The iwi might begin to see it as a way forward to get our story being told. And I can sort of guarantee that the rangatahi that have been working with us have learnt more about who they are through this process, and that you can start to see them walk a bit straighter, knowing a bit more.
So our plan for today was to come down and to meet Puti, who's going to come in and awhi with our mahi, with All Roads Lead to Ngātapa, but also to expose us to other forms of theatre, other ways that Māori are telling stories that belong to their communities. Why is that important? That's important because we need to know how to respond, and often I feel like because we don't know parts of our history, we're responding from a place that's a little bit ignorant. So for us to know a bit more about who we are and for us to tell ourselves and do it in our way, it's really important.
So I'm just going to cut us off before we start drowning. All roads lead to Ngātapa, ki here taunga. 3, all roads lead to Ngātapa on 3. 1, 2, 3. All roads lead to Ngātapa on 3.
It takes quite a lot to tell a story that is open enough to have lots of people listen to it and bring their own interpretations, and to be open to hearing those but still holding so much truth in it.
The image of that milk represents a lot of things. It represents the deaths at Mākaritu. It's a statement about the whitewashing of our history. It's a statement about the decolonising of ourselves inside of our own history. It's a metaphor. It means many, many different things. How did we lose our abundance? How come we are classified as being poverty? Why were we named poverty? All of these questions that talk about our identity all stem from this kaupapa. E tu takia.